Good morning, guys. I hope you are doing great. So, what's really happening on the market? We can actually go straight to our daily analysis and see what's really happening. But if we can check nicely on the economic calendar, we had some serious economic news along the way, and we saw CPI, which it was like mostly the same as the estimate. It shows us that CPI or inflation, it is still going up. You can see the estimate and actuals there, they are just the same. Another thing, it was yesterday where we had PPI. Actually, this is the same as the prediction or the estimate, but unemployment claims was a little bit higher. Today we are just waiting for retail sales. So this is not really good because we see this economic event starting to push up, showing that yeah, there is enough activities in the economy, which is good, but at the same time that might delay rate cuts because inflation is slowly doing what? Creeping back up again. That is not really good. But we'll just wait and see what will happen on the economy, on retail sales. But at the moment, we already see that things are starting to go back again, which is not really good, you see. But anyways, before we go on the analysis, you can see that for those who still want the system, guys, it is still available for $149. So the system you plug on MT4, you can, if maybe you're using MT5, you can use this as your signal provider. Then you can take trades. Like here, this is France 40. I saw this signal a little bit late, but I just took this sell because I'm expecting the market to go a little bit lower. But what I want you to see here is just look how clean are these signals here. Just look at that, you see. So most likely once you get the signal, you were going to eat. Buy, you were going to eat. So now I'm expecting to eat here on on France 40. And you can plug everything. You can plug a German 30. Just look at German 30. I also have a few orders here. They are on a smaller profit. Let's see. Yeah, they are on a smaller profit. Let's see US oil. US oil, I missed this move. We can go on Nasdaq. You can see that you can actually get everything. You can see now I'm going on a smaller profit there. So I will try to hold this up to a point where I can actually close. You see, so it's quite easy. You just plug and you can just get signals very quick. Very easy. Just look at my profit. It's now going up. So if you are part of the group, because I think I had other people saying, Kenzo, if maybe I was part of the group, what should I do? Yes, you can get a discount, which means you're gonna pay $110 instead of $149 for those who want the system. So yeah, now let's go straight to our analysis and see what's really happening. Let's see. So as we can see, we are starting with dollar index. The market seems to be trying to go higher. We can see that the dollar is getting stronger and stronger, and this is not really good because we were expecting rate cuts next month. So it seems like that will be something else. Yesterday, I think Powell, he said they are not in a rush to cut the rates. That is not a good message because it seems like they're not going to cut, or maybe they will just pause with the rates. But with the overall structure that we have here, we can easily see, oh, I think you don't really see that. You can easily see that the market is coming from this higher level going down. We broke this level, so we can easily see that the market is willing to do what? To go higher, because we come in from this downtrend structure, and the market is now pushing and breaking out of that. But at the moment, the market is trying to reverse. Maybe the market will try to retest or something. We'll just have to wait and see, because later on we have retail sales. We have retail sales from the US. right? So that might also change, but I don't think we're gonna have much. I think election effect is still very strong. After Trump won, the market has been going up for a very long time now, maybe for 2 weeks. So what you can do is go check my video that I did yesterday just to understand the overall movements, what will happen going further, you see. So at the moment, it shows us that the dollar is quite stronger, so which means anything that you do at the moment, mostly the pairs, currency pairs, the dollar will be quite stronger. But at the moment, we have a smaller move that shows us that it's a reversing. So now let's go straight to the actual pairs that we are trying to look at. So here we can see that we are on a dollar. It seems like my network seems to be getting slower. So you can see that the gold, it was on a very nice, aggressive uptrend structure. So we saw the market going higher. And at the moment, you can see that we had a breakout. You can see I've drawn this for quite long. So it's easier for you to see that the market is changing the direction. And after that, we never had any reversal from that. You see, we never had any bigger or aggressive reversal. So what we have at the moment, I think it's only this structure. Sorry. So we have this previous area that the market actually broke out. So maybe you can say you can wait for the market to retest here and continue to go lower. But the overall structure at the moment, we can see that we are now on a downtrend structure. So which means we expect to see the market continuing with this downtrend structure. So let's see. This was the area. So we no longer we are not forced to draw it like that. We can just draw it here and say, you know what, this is how the market is moving at the moment. So we can have something like this. Let's say we have a support on the bottom side and this resistance. So it's up to us to wait for the market to reach this resistance area before we look for those sell positions. So yeah, I think this is an aggressive sell. One way or another, the market might try to reverse, but at the end of the day, we still believe that we are on a downtrend structure. So I'm expecting to see a continuation of that sell. So let's push to the next one. I have some sinuses, guys, especially early in the morning. So we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? I think we did draw this. Firstly, I saw the indicator showing me this move from the top there, and that was a proper sell. Let me show you that. That was a very proper sell. Let's go on. Oh, just look the profits. It was on 9. Now we are on 48. So let's go on US30. I want to show you what I saw on US30. It was this first, you can see there. So I took a sell around this level. So now it shows us that now it's going aggressive. You have another sell there. So this indicator works very nice, guys. It works very, very, very nice. So, sorry, I wasn't supposed to do that. So now we are on US30. As you can see, the market has been going up for quite some time. We have a structure like this. So at the moment, I'm expecting to see what? I'm expecting to see a nice push to the downside. You can see that. But the overall structure, it is still that nice uptrend. You see, we are still expecting the market to go higher. But we have levels that the market can respect. This is the first level that the market can respect. Once the market touches this area, there is a chance that the market can bounce back and start to go higher because this was a previous resistance. If things are not really looking good, we might see the market breaking out of that level, going around 42,600 before pushing to the upside. Obviously, this type of a move, the market has to reverse. This was an aggressive push to the upside. That was a very aggressive push. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting to see a nice support there. I mean a nice respect. If that doesn't really happen, we will see a bounce to the lower side. So now we are on Nasdaq. Nasdaq actually gave us quite similar structures, but at the moment we can see that we have something like that. I think we even, this is not really supposed to be here. We can leave it like that, it's fine. Then we can use this area and say, you know what, if the market respects this level, we can have a proper buy around this level, or maybe the market has to go a little bit lower, and maybe this support will actually be stronger enough to push the market to the upside. But at the moment, the overall structure, yes, we are still on that nice uptrend, but where we are, it shows us that the market has to reverse. We can see we had like whole 2 weeks where the market was just going up. At the moment, the market is trying to do what? To cut off that bullish move before we push the upside. And that's how the market moves. The market can be aggressive even if things are still positive, but I think the market, one way or another, the market has to reverse so that we can easily trade. We can easily go back and take those buy positions. I hope that makes sense. So on US oil is still playing games, guys. We can see that it's actually struggling to go higher. With the structure that we have there, we can see that the market, it's actually on a support area. So I was expecting to see the market going higher, but it seems like the market is playing around these levels. This was our pending order, and it seems like the market is now doing its thing. It's not going in our favor, but I'm still expecting it to respect this level before going up. But for now, this is actually enough. I don't really have to make these videos very long so that you can actually watch them as quick as possible. So for those who want the system, you can scan that QR code, talk to me. Then if you are part of the team, you can get that discount. And if you are not part of the team, yes, you can actually pay $149 and enjoy unlimited signals. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye.